Iman?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Northport, Florida.
Right on.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
I'm 10.
You're 10?
Yeah. I'm so nervous.
Are you here with your parents?
Yeah, I'm here with my parents and my brothers.
And your brothers. Are
Yeah.
you the only girl in your family?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're the angel?
Sometimes.
Or are you the devil? And what do your parents do?
Well, my dad owns an ice cream factory. Yeah.
Best job ever.
Yeah.
Do you get to go in there and pick all your favorite flavors?
Yeah.
What's your favorite flavor?
Salted caramel, coffee, and chocolate chip mint. Yeah.
Literally my favorites. We're on a good start. Okay, and let's see what you got. Does that voice come out of that little body? Wow.
Thank you.
I mean, seriously, that was unbelievable. What an amazing person. Your dad's got the best job in the world. It must be magic ice cream. And then you come along and just do that. You are absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
Gabrielle.
The whole audience was like, "You've got to be kidding me. You're that talented. You're just a star," you know?
Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow.
I was completely mesmerized and captivated, and your voice obviously blew all of us away, but there's something about your presence. Like, you're so confident and so true to who you are. Don't lose that aspect, because that is what's going to take you on this journey. And you're going to go really, really far, my love.
Thank you.
All right, should we take a vote?
I'm shaking.
Simon.
Yeah, it was all right. I really, really am happy to give you your very first yes.
Howie.
I'll give you the second. Yes.
Gabrielle.
Don't be nervous at all. It's 3 yeses.
I'm going to give you a yes, but only if we can share some ice cream together. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, perfect. It's 4 yeses!